Filter is up here in the hall. It's a 20 by 24 by 1. It should be changed about every month, and it looks like it's been a month of Sundays since that one's been changed. This is the living room. Everything's laid out pretty normal. There's nothing unusual going on here. When you come in the front door's facing east. Then we have our laundry in here, and clothes washer, clothes dryer, and we also have our water heater. How are we doing on time? Doing pretty good. There's your water heater right there. Water heaters should not have blankets on them. They're already insulated. That just causes problems. Take the blanket off. Then that pipe right up here, that is your main disconnect. If there's a water problem, crawl on top of your dishwasher or your clothes washer. Don't fall through the window. But you turn that, when that handle is parallel, the water is on. When that handle is perpendicular, the water's off. That's your emergency water shutoff valve.